Hey everyone, welcome to my first episode of my brand new series where I take you along to explore some truly amazing Airbnbs. I am so excited to share this journey with you, where we'll not only be reviewing these stunning getaways, but also drawing inspiration from their unique interior designs. Each episode will feature a different property, showcasing its charm, style, the wonderful experiences it has to offer. I'll be giving you my honest reviews, highlighting what makes each place special and providing tips on how you can incorporate some of the interior designs into your own home. This is a bit of a new concept for me, and I'm thrilled to be able to try and bring you fresh Airbnb content every 1 to 2 months. From cozy cottages to modern lofts, I'm going to explore a variety of spaces that are perfect for a memorable getaway or just a weekend escape. In today's episode, we're starting with this beautiful converted barn in the picturesque Cotswolds. So let's step inside the Cattle Byre and see what makes it such a fantastic retreat. Welcome to the Cattle Byre, a beautifully converted barn nestled in the stunning rural farmland setting, just moments away from the famous Cotswolds Way and the vibrant village of Hawkesbury Upton. So join me as we explore this unique Airbnb and the charming surroundings that make it the perfect countryside retreat. The Cattle Byre has been meticulously converted to a very high standard, offering a blend of rustic charm and modern luxury. This self-contained property comes with private parking and an enclosed walled garden, providing both privacy and security. The only problem we encountered was that our little dog Hugo was small enough to fit through some of the cracks in the wall and ended up chasing the host Rosie's chickens around. So it's one to consider if you have a little dog, maybe take a dog gate or crate with you, or like we did, you can use the bins to avoid your little pup getting through the crack. Inside, the space is predominantly open plan and on one level, with beautifully vaulted ceilings and abundance of natural light pouring through the floor to ceiling windows and sliding doors. The living area is warm and inviting, featuring 2 comfortable sofas, a wood burner and a wall-mounted smart TV. It's the perfect spot to relax after a day of exploring. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with top-of-the-range units, granite worktops, modern appliances, which include an electric double oven, induction hob, built-in microwave, coffee machine, dishwasher, and a full height fridge freezer. There's also a breakfast bar with 2 stools, which is ideal for casual dining. The utility room is located just behind the kitchen, and I will say it is a few steps up and features a washing machine, a heat pump tumble dryer, and a Belfast sink. Moving on to the bedrooms, each room offers a serene retreat with vaulted ceilings, sliding doors to the outside, and luxurious beds. Bedroom 1 boasts a king-size sleigh bed, while bedroom 2 can be configured as either a super king bed or 2 singles. The bathroom is elegantly fitted with a large bath, shower, porcelain tiles, and a vaulted ceiling, providing a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own space. Step outside to by far my favourite part of the Airbnb, the large walled garden, complete with a sunny terrace, patio furniture for 6, a barbecue and feature lighting. It's an idyllic spot for all al fresco dining and enjoying the fresh country air. Our dog Hugo absolutely loves the outside, and I think we will return just for his benefit. Beyond the Cattle Byre, there's plenty to explore. The famous Cotswold Way offers picturesque walking trails with breathtaking views, perfect for people who like nature. The vibrant village of Hawkesbury Upton is just a short distance away, where you can immerse yourself in local culture, visit charming pubs and discover unique shops. There's a lovely sense of community here, and I actually bumped into an old friend from university in one of the local pubs, and she kindly showed me the community spirit that they have there, and it was so great to see a familiar face as well. Families will find everything they need here, including a travel cot, high chair, kids cutlery and blackout blinds for those much needed restful night's sleep. 2 well-behaved dogs are also welcome, with treats provided and a perfect spot for a dog bed in the utility room. It is requested that dogs are kept off the furniture and out of the bedrooms. Rosie also has her own dog, who sometimes came over to see Hugo, and although Hugo isn't the best with other dogs, so we did feel really bad that Hugo just barked the dog straight out of the room. We absolutely loved our stay at Cattle Byre. The property is beautifully designed, incredibly comfortable, and truly a home away from home we didn't want to leave. Our dog had a blast, and once we'd figured out a way to keep him from escaping into Rosie's garden, after that he loved running around the huge outdoor space. The area is very, very quiet, which is perfect if you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. We usually enjoy having a cool bar or a little bit of nightlife nearby, so that's something just to keep in mind if you are a little bit like us. But if peace and tranquility are what you're after, this place is absolutely perfect. There are some amazing walks right from the property, where you can see all the way into Wales and see the Severn Bridge. The Cotswolds Way is practically on your doorstep, offering stunning views and a great way to explore the area. I would say having a car is definitely a plus, as there are loads of wonderful places to visit nearby. We took a trip to Tetbury for some stunning tapas, and on the way to Cattle Byre we actually stopped off at Chipping Norton to visit the famous Diddley Squat farm shop. All in all, the Cattle Byre is a fantastic retreat, whether you're looking for a quiet escape and an adventure in the countryside, or simply a place to just relax with the family and friends. This place has it all, and I highly recommend it for your next getaway. So that's my review of Cattle Byre. Stay tuned for more episodes in this series, where I'll continue to explore and share more amazing Airbnbs. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.